Thanks for tuning in. Today we'd like to show a staking pool on the Binance Smart Chain that offers great rewards with medium risk. Lately I have been taking on a lot of risk by investing in DAOs. But that's not for everyone. Charge DeFi currently offers an APR of 400%. In this video, we're going to show you the main functions, what an algorithmic stablecoin is, and why we specifically choose this staking pool. When we go over to their website, you will find that they offer 1.4% daily, sometimes it is less. However, that's for the riskiest pool. The one that I am going to show you earns around 0.8% per day. You can find it under Farms. But first let me explain what the three tokens are. Static is an algorithmic stablecoin and is the main value of Charge DeFi. It's pegged to the value of 1 BUSD. Charge is the governance token, and users receive rewards when they lock up their tokens. Pulse is the bond token. When the value of static drops below $1, Pulse can be bought and staked into pools that yield BNB or BUSD. Staked Pulse is auto-redeemed when static reaches its $1.01 peg. Algorithmic stablecoins use algorithms to balance the circulating supply of the asset. In simple terms, the algorithm issues more coins when price increases, and buys them off the market when the price falls. For example, assume static is priced at $1. When the price drops to 80 cents, an algorithm recognizes the imbalance between supply and demand. Then it automatically sets a market buy order to push the price back. In case the price goes above $1, the algorithm sells assets to maintain the price on the predefined level that keeps the peg. Here is what is recommended by Charge DeFi. They suggest to stake Charge to earn static, and then put it in the static BUSD pool. In my opinion, that's very risky. Let me pull up a chart so you will see why that is. This is the chart of Charge. As you can see, it dropped down from $1,400 to around $400. That means your LP tokens would have lost drastically in value. To be fair, if you would invest now and it goes up, so would your LP tokens. So it can go both ways. But I think Charge has more falling ahead. I think it's better to use static and BUSD. For a stablecoin, it had some moves to the upside, but what's more important is that it didn't stay under $1 for long. This way your investment won't lose much in value while you receive high rewards. Let me show you how you can enter this staking pool. You need to have some BNB in your wallet to cover gas fees, and you can buy it with BUSD or BNB. I'm gonna buy LP tokens worth $5,000. At the moment that earns me $55 per day, which I can restake so it grows faster. My rewards are paid out in Charge tokens that I'm going to sell every other day. After less than a day, we've already earned some Charge tokens that I am going to put back in the pool. If you are wondering why the value of the LP tokens went down to $4,800, it's because static is trading at 90 cents right now. But don't worry, if it stays under $1 for 6 days, the protocol will readjust the supply. So it comes back up to $1. In the other staking pool, you would rely more on the price of Charge, and it can swing a lot. That's why I prefer the BUSD static pool. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let us know in the comments what you think of Charge DeFi. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.